Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Clash of Clans tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually edit your village and makes it looks better and make it actually look better. You can make it look better or stronger, like in the attack, or stronger in defense. So, for example, let's say that you wanted your village to look pretty or something like that. You can just go to Google or any like browser you have on your PC or anything else. Like for example, let's say that you are playing on your phone. You will need to check and watch a template of a village on another device, so you can copy it from it. So let's say that you are using your phone. Let's open your PC if you have it, or another phone if you have it in your house, and just type village Clash of Clans, and then type your town hall level, and then you will be able to see a lot of custom edits and how you can copy them. You can just go in here by clicking on this, and then go to an empty layout, and then edit layout. And from here you can just put your stuff, your whatever. You can even create your own design of your village, and just make sure that you edit everything and you put everything down, or else you will not be able to use it as your main village. So as you can see here, I can set this one as active, because if I edit this layer, I will have here a lot of stuff to put down, and yeah, that's a problem. So yeah, just to make sure that your village is good to go, make sure to put everything down. This is for the normal village. So how can you edit your war village? It's pretty simple. The same thing. Go here and this button here, click on it, and then go to war base, and from here you can custom your base. And just again, please make sure that you have put down everything in your village, or else you will have problems. Like for me, I'm having a lot of stuff that I didn't put down, and my village will be so much weaker even if I am like level 10. Well, else you can go even and edit your other village, night village, which is this one. You can do the same thing, which is clicking in here, and your builder base, you can just edit any layouts, and again just make sure that you have put everything down. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.